going to show you guys how to replace a light bulb. First, turn off the electricity. If you're unplugging something, pull from the head and not the wire. Next, let the light bulb cool down. Most homes are going to have your standard socket screw light bulb, so simply unscrew the light bulb to the left and take it out. If stuck, you can use a set of pliers on a base or apply some grease as well. From there, clean the inside of the socket with a dry rag. Make sure you remove any dust or lint particles that might have built up inside. That's also why you should always keep a light bulb in the socket even when you're not using it, so dust and lint doesn't collect inside. Too much buildup inside could cause a fire hazard. From there, make sure you have the appropriate replacement light bulb. So you're going to come across 3 basic light bulbs. You have the old school incandescent light bulbs, then you have the compact fluorescent light bulbs, the swirly kind, and then you have these new LED light bulbs. The LED light bulbs use the least amount of energy. Once you pick the light bulb style, make sure you pick the wattage you want. The higher wattage, the brighter the light bulb's going to be, but it also uses more energy. Once you have your replacement light bulb, simply screw it back into the socket, to the right. Then plug the power back in and test it. And that's how you replace a light bulb.